Welcome back to Dreamscape. In this video, I will explain to you the different ways in which a student can be added to your classroom. The very first time you log in, you will be prompted to add a class. Go ahead and enter the name of your class to create it. If you are Google School, please do not enter a class name here. Instead, simply select Import from Google Classroom to have your students added to your Dreamscape dashboard with just one click. There is a support article you could refer to here if you run into any trouble with this feature. Once you have created your class, you will see another pop-up window asking whether your students already have Dreamscape accounts. As mentioned in my previous video, it is possible for students to create accounts on their own or simply have Dreamscape accounts from previous school years. In that case, they do not need to start from scratch and you can select, yes, they already have accounts. This will lead you to a window with your class code listed there. Please pass your students this class code and they can enter it on their game screen to join your class. Let me show you how. Once logged in, your students just need to navigate to Menu at the top of their game screen, click on Update Class Code, and enter it there. If your students have not played Dreamscape before and need new accounts, you can click No, they need new accounts. On this screen, there are a few options to create accounts for your students. The first option is to create them manually. You just need to enter the first name, last initial, and grade level of each student one by one. If you prefer to do it in bulk, you can choose to access the option of pasting from a spreadsheet. The instructions are outlined when you click on the option. If your student will be logging in on a web browser, you can also select Create using link and pass the unique link that generates to your students. Once this link is used, your students just need to click on Create an account, enter their own first name, last initial, and grade, and they will populate in your dashboard automatically. The last option would be similar to when students have existing Dreamscape accounts. Create using class code. You just need to get your students to create their own accounts and then enter your unique class code during the registration process. In the next video, I will walk through how to get your students logged in to start playing Dreamscape.